this paper we have a question number 13 where the answer according to NTA is A, but it is a question about photosynthesis, and here correction that answer is not A, correct answer is D, and they have given correct answer as A. Okay, and question number 3, and they have asked incorrect statement and all statements are correct. In question number 3 all statements are correct, and we have classified this. The hard question are the first 19, 24, 33, 44, 51 and 62, and the 77 is a tricky question about microspore, functional microspore. Okay, not functional megaspore, microspore. So it is a good question. And 78 and 83, these are it is a very easy question, easy paper, and we can expect about 330 plus in this paper. So next, a couple had two sons. One was colorblind while the other wasn't. They also had a colorblind daughter. Okay, they have इनके पास क्या है, एक colorblind son है, एक colorblind son है, तो उसके पास किसका जीन होगा color blindness का, और एक normal son है, एक normal son है क्या. Okay, and one normal son. ओके, एंड द कलर ब्लाइंड डॉटर, तो इनके पास एक कलर ब्लाइंड डॉटर भी है. तो यस, सो व्हाट इज ट्रू फॉर द कपल, कपल के लिए सही बताना. देखो सर, हमारे पास कॉन्सेप्ट यह है, द मेल एक्स क्रोमोसोम, ओके, अ मेल गेट इट्स एक्स क्रोमोसोम फ्रॉम इट्स मदर, है ना. तो इसके पास एक्स क्रोमोसोम कहाँ से आया, मदर से आया, तो उसके मदर के पास एक एक्स क्रोमोसोम तो होगा ही होगा, और इसके पास जो वाई क्रोमोसोम आया वो कहाँ से आया, फादर से आया. ओके, एंड इस सन के पास अगर एक वाई क्रोमोसोम है तो उसके फादर से आया होगा, और एक एक्स क्रोमोसोम से कहां से आया होगा, मदर से. तो दूसरे जो मदर है उसके पास एक ऐसा एक्स क्रोमोसोम है जिसके पास कलर ब्लाइंडनेस का जीन है, और एक ऐसा क्रोमोसोम है उस मदर के पास जिसके पास कलर ब्लाइंडनेस का जीन नहीं है. तो ये जीनोटाइप हो जाएंगे किसके लिए, मदर और फादर के लिए. तो हमारे पास जो फादर होगा वो नॉर्मल होगा. ओके, द फादर इज नॉट नॉर्मल, फादर इज कलर ब्लाइंड बिकॉज द डॉटर इज कलर ब्लाइंड. सो डॉटर के पास एक जीन तो मदर से आया, कलर ब्लाइंडनेस का यहाँ से आ गया, एक दूसरा जो आया फादर से आया, तो दो कलर ब्लाइंडनेस के जीन आया, तो एक फादर से एक मदर से. तो जो फादर होगा वो कलर ब्लाइंड होगा, और जो मदर होगी वो कैरियर होगी, मतलब नॉर्मल होगी. फादर इज नॉर्मल, father is color blind, मतलब husband is color blind and wife is not. Okay, so next, which of the following condition will shift the oxygen dissociation curve to the right. Okay, so oxygen dissociation curve जब right कब जाता है, जब हमारे पास pH कम होता है, DPG ज्यादा होता है, टेम्परेचर ज्यादा होता है, ऑक्सीजन का कमांड कम होता है. मैंने बोला पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन जब कम होगा तो अपने पास जो शिफ्ट होगा वो कैसा होगा, राइट शिफ्ट होगा, मतलब डिसोसिएशन होगा. डिसो होगा किसका, किससे, ओके, ऑक्सीजन का हीमोग्लोबिन से. ओके, which of the following statement about heart sound is correct, heart sound, love is diastolic heart sound, no, these are systolic heart sound, and love occur due to opening of seminal wall, no, love क्यों होता है, opening नहीं, closing of bicuspid and tricuspid wall. Okay, dub cannot be easily heard with stethoscope, they can be easily heard. Okay, so it is incorrect, and we have fourth which is the correct action, because dub sound is due to the closing of seminal wall, so it is correct and it is the required answer. Next, okay, all the following statement are correct for bluegin algae except they have chlorophyll A, which is also found in higher plant. Yes, it is correct. We have to find the incorrect statement. Okay, they may be filamentous, colonial and unicellular. Yes, and they have heterocyst which are clear cell without chlorophyll. Yes, they are connecting link between plants and animal. No, bluegin algae are not the connecting link between plants and animal. We have euglenite that are the connecting link between plants and animal. And next, so it is a required answer because it is incorrect. About bluegin algae. Pick out the correct statement with respect to flagella found in a particular class of algae. Okay, in brown algae, motile spore have 2 to 8 equal lateral flagella. No, that is they have, okay, brown algae means few of ICH, so they have 2, not 2 to 8, so it is incorrect. And green algae, motile cell have 2 unequal, no, they have 2 to 8 equal flagella, they have equal flagella, so it is also incorrect. And in red algae, it is very important that they does not have any motile structure, they does not have any motile structure in the life cycle, so it is also incorrect and is very important. Okay, in brown algae, motile spore are biflagellated and flagella are unequal and lateral. Yes, in brown algae the flagella are 2 in number and they are unequal and they are laterally arranged. Okay, in brown algae, so it is required and is correct and it is required answer. Next, The incorrect statement among the following is salvia show variation in the length of the filament within the flower. Yes, it's so tetradynamous condition. Okay, it's so tetradynamous condition. Oh, sorry, it's so didynamous condition. That is, length of stamen are different. Okay, and mustard has polycarpillary syncarpus gynoecium. Yes. Okay, in archimon, okay, in archimon, ovary one chambered, but it become two chambered due to the formation of false septum, and that is known as raplum. It is also got, and we have to find out the incorrect statement. And the next is, in cucumber, gynoecium occupies the highest position while other flower wall are seated below it. No, cucumber is epigynous. Cucumber show epigynous condition. Cucumber show epigynous condition, and that is inferior ovary. Inferior ovary means other three walls are situated above the gynoecium and ovary is below, not at the highest position. It is the required answer. Okay, see the diagram of epigynous condition. And next is, which of the following statement about protein and amino acid is incorrect? We have to find out the incorrect statement. Protein are polypeptide bond. Okay, protein have polypeptide bond in them. Yes, they have polypeptide bond. Protein are present in acid insoluble pool. Yes, because they are macromolecule, so they are present in acid insoluble pool. Amino acid form deuterion. Yes, which contain both positive and negative charge. Part. Pleated structure in protein form tertiary structure. No, the pleated structure beta pleated sheet is a secondary structure and not tertiary, so it is incorrect in the required answer. Okay, which of these cell organelle found exclusively in eukaryote and not membrane bound? See, the nucleolus that is not membrane bound is only found in eukaryotes. Okay, because they have well developed. A teacher was trying to show different stage of type of cell division to the student. At a particular stage, it was observed that the chromosomes were separating, but there was no splitting of centromere. Yes, okay, so the chromosome was separating, but there is no splitting of centromere. It occurs in anaphase 1, where homologous chromosomes separate, and the sister chromatid remain attached. Okay, so it is anaphase 1. All the following statements are incorrect about monocot stem except, means we have to find the correct statement. Okay, hypodermis of monocot stem is made of multi-layer parenchyma. No, it is not made of multi-layer parenchyma, it is made of sclerenchyma. Okay, and vascular bundle are surrounded by sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. It is absolutely correct, because the vascular bundle, see, in monocot we have both the hypodermis that is made of sclerenchyma, or the bundle sheath that are both made of sclerenchyma. Bundle sheath is also made of sclerenchyma, as well as that hypodermis which is also made of sclerenchyma. So it is correct and is the required answer. The vascular cylinder is surrounded by parenchyma, it is surrounded by sclerenchyma, so it is incorrect. And the peripheral vascular bundle are generally larger. No, the peripheral vascular bundle are smaller. See here, from this diagram you can easily see that the peripheral vascular bundle are smaller, so it is also incorrect, and B is the correct answer. The cohesive force of water is due to, okay, H bonding. It is due to H bonding. Between the same molecule, the forces is due to H bonding. Okay, immobile element in the plant is C. Calcium is not immobilized, means it is immobile, and the deficiency symptoms of calcium tend to appear first in, see, if it is immobile, then deficiency symptoms tend to appear first in younger part. Okay, and calcium is immobile. During photosynthesis, both CO2 and water get oxidized. No, water, see, here water is oxidized, and CO2 is reduced, because we have to add this hydrogen into the CO2, means addition of hydrogen is reduction, so CO2 is reduced, and the removal of oxygen is oxidation, and the formation of oxygen is oxidation, so water is oxidized and CO2 get reduced, and water is oxidized. Respiratory pathway is it is an amphibolic pathway. Okay, according to NCERT, is an amphibolic pathway, and according to us, it is also an amphibolic pathway, because there is for both anabolism and catabolism taking place. It is an amphibolic pathway, means it is both catabolic and anabolic. Essential requirement for seed germination is, see, temperature, oxygen and moisture. Tom is required for germination, that is temperature, oxygen and moisture. So here it is asking about the oxygen and moisture. And the very important thing is that for seed storage, for the storage of the seed, that is which is required, dehydration and dormancy is required for storage of the seed and germination, temperature, oxygen and moisture. Okay, Next, match the following organism with their respective structure used for reproduction and choose the correct option. Green thallophyte. See, it is green thallophyte. Green thallophyte means Chlamydomonas. Green thallophyte means Chlamydomonas. This is green thallophyte, that is Chlamydomonas. This is green thallophyte, that is Chlamydomonas. So one is matched with which has juice spore, which has juice spore, which has juice spore. So one is matched with D, which has juice spore. A is Chlamydomonas. So A is Chlamydomonas. So it has juice spore. And then second organism which is used to produce a first antibiotic, and first antibiotic is produced from penicillin, and penicillin contain conidia. So 2 is matched with B, 2 is matched with V, and we have 1D, 1D, 1D and 2B. We have only this option with this statements. Okay, animal with cellular level of organization is porifera, and porifera have gemmules, that is endogenous bird. These are gemmules in sponges. And next is a freshwater cnidaria, hydra. This is a hydra, and the hydra is a freshwater cnidaria which show buds. So fourth with C, and this is the correct answer. In angiosperm, microsporangium is, okay, in angiosperm pollen sac represent the microsporangia, pollen sac represent the microsporangia. Okay, which phenomena made it possible to produce animal protein in plant through DNA technology? See, it is due to the universal nature of codon. It is due to the universal nature of codon. Succus centricus is made up of, see, Succus centricus is made up of pancreatic, it is made up of enzyme which enzymes? Okay, it contain disaccharidase, dipeptidase, and okay, many more disaccharidase, and also it contain mucus. It also contain mucus. And the enterokinase is not an hormone, it is an enzyme. Enterokinase is not an hormone, it is an enzyme. So it contain enzyme and mucus. Okay, it contain enzyme and mucus. Next, choose the part of the uniferous tubule that show the presence of cuboidal epithelium with brush border. See, the proximal convoluted tubule, that is PCT, that is lined with simple cuboidal epithelium, and it contain microvilli at the surface, so it is known as brush border epithelium. If the level of glucose drop in the blood, the body release dash to bring it back. See, okay, glucagon is a hyperglycemic factor. It help in increasing the blood glucose. So the glucagon secreted by the beta cell. Alpha se glucagon, beta se insulin. Okay, match the following. Skeleton muscle are syncytial, or the muscle are syncytial. Skeletal muscles are syncytial, means muscle fibers are syncytium. So skeletal muscles are syncytial except smooth muscle which are not syncytial. So one is matched with R, and Z line is present in the light region. See, it is light region, and Z line is present in the light region, light band, seen in light band, Z line. So 2 is matched with S, so it is eliminated, and 1 with R, so it is eliminated, so we have D with the correct answer. And Hansen zone, this is the Hansen zone which is not overlapped by the actin filament. It is present in the dark band. Okay, a device is inserted in the uterus for contraceptive effect. Which of this effect won't be caused by it? Okay, see, a device that is introduced into the uterus is nothing but it is intrauterine devices, that is IUDs, and IUDs increase the phagocytosis. Okay, so it is correct, and it suppress the sperm motility. Yes, it suppresses the sperm motility. Okay, and preventing implantation, blastocyst, it is the function of, okay, hormone releasing IUDs. It prevent ovulation. No, prevent ovulation is the function of oral pills and not the IUDs. Okay, which of these ancestors are not evolved or not involved in the evolution of lycopods? See, lycopods, the evolution of lycopods, we involved chlorophytes and tracheophytes, and Zostrophyllum are involved in the evolution of lycopods. See, these are lycopods and Zostrophyllum, tracheophyte. All the phases below the Zostrophyllum involved in the development or involved in the evolution of lycopods. So Rhynia type ancestors are not involved in the development of lycopods. If two organisms cannot interbreed to produce fertile offspring, they cannot be placed under the same species. Okay, that is the biological concept of species. Means a person can, if two individuals can interbreed and produce fertile offspring, then they are said to be belonging to the same species. And a very important thing is that containing, what are species? Species are containing the concrete biological entities. Okay, species contain concrete biological entities. It is also important. In nature, symbiotic association is found between an algae and a fungus. Which of the following can be regarded as the correct property of this association? Lichen are fast-growing organism, live for short time. We have to determine the correct property. It is incorrect. Okay, they are not fast growing, they are slow growing. Okay, the algal component is called as mycobiont. No, the fungal component is called as mycobiont because fungi mycota, kingdom mycota. Okay, so it is incorrect. By they are pioneer in vegetation. Okay, they are pioneer in vegetation. Yes, they are pioneer community. They are pioneer community, so it is correct and the required answer. They grow in cities. No, they does not grow in polluted areas, so they are very good pollution indicator. And next, okay, read the below characteristic of organism belonging to plant kingdom and choose the wrong one. We have to choose the wrong one. Selaginella is a pterophyte which produce two type of spore. Yes, it is heterosporous. Pinus is a gymnosperm with branch stem. Yes, Pinus and Citrus are branched. Fucus is algae with haplodiplontic life cycle. No, Fucus is the algae with diplontic life cycle. So it is incorrect and the required answer. Funaria is a bryophyte with protonema stage. Yes. Which of the following cell organelle is responsible for maintenance of turgidity of a plant cell? Vacuole is responsible for maintenance of turgidity. 90% plant occupy the vacuole, and vacuole membrane is known as tonoplast, and it is responsible for the maintenance of the turgidity of the cell. Flower of pea possesses the same symmetry as that of P. In P we see zygomorphic symmetry, and in PG, that is post graduation in biochemistry, that is P, Gulmohar, Bean and Cassia, we see zygomorphic symmetry. So it's same symmetry as Cassia. Okay. And the next is in grasses, bulliform cell are large, not small. These are large, not small, and they are present on the adaxial surface. They are present on the adaxial means ऊपर वाला सबको देखता है, तो ऊपर में क्या है? adaxial surface. D से D देखना, तो ऊपर वाला सबको देख रहा है, तो ऊपर में क्या है? adaxial surface. Okay, and they are present in the upper epidermal surface, and not lower. So it is the required answer. And is the correct answer. C, it is monocot and it is adaxial epidermis, that is above surface. Which contain what? They contain bulliform cell which help in water conservation. During photosynthesis, when PGA is changed into phosphoglyceraldehyde, which of the following reaction occur? When PGA, see, if an acid is converted into aldehyde, then this reaction is reduction. This reaction is reduction reaction. This reaction is reduction reaction. Substrate level phosphorylation occur during which step of Krebs cycle? See, when succinyl coenzyme A is converted into succinate, a molecule of GTP is synthesized, that is due to substrate level phosphorylation. When succinyl coenzyme A is converted into succinic acid. Okay, the hormone capable of replacing the requirement of long period of flowering. See, okay, we can induce artificial flowering in long day plant with the help of gibberellin. That is why it is used in artificial flowering in long day plant. We can remember it like this: algae, livegood, algae in long day plant. We induce artificial flowering by gibberellin, and in short day plant we can induce artificial flowering by cytokinin. We can remember this like that. CK means in short day plant we induce artificial flowering by cytokinin. SK or CK. Short day plant we can induce artificial flowering by cytokinin, but here it is asking about the long day plant, so we induce artificial flowering with the help of gibberellin. Okay, which of the following option shows the correct match of the plant along with their pollinating agent? See, yucca is pollinated by Pronuba moth. It is a moth, Pronuba moth. One is matched with C. Okay, all are 1C. Roses. Okay, I don't know what rose. Okay, so next up, Gia maize means maize, and maize the pollination that is seen in maize is wind pollination, that is anemophily. Okay, so 3 is matched with A. 3 is matched with A, and we have only one option with 3A. And Zostrophyllum is a freshwater, it is a marine water. It is marine water organism. Okay, they are marine water organism, and it is pollinated by water. So 4 with B, so it is required answer. And next, among the following, the incorrect statement about the formation of female gamete in human is? See, female gamete. Okay, the release of female gamete. Okay, layer of granulosa cells surround primary oocyte forming primary follicle. No, secondary follicle, not primary follicle. Okay, we have to find out the sorry, it is correct. We have to find out the incorrect and it is correct because okay, when primary oocyte is surrounded by more layer of granulosa cell, then is called as primary follicle, and when more and more granulosa cell going to deposited over the primary follicle, then it comes secondary, and then it's into tertiary and into the Graafian follicle, that is mature tertiary mature follicle. Ovum is released in the secondary oocyte stage from the secondary follicle. Yes, sorry, no. Secondary oocyte stage from the secondary follicle. No, it is not released in the secondary follicle stage. It is released in the Graafian follicle stage. Okay, so it is incorrect. It is not released in the secondary follicle stage. It is released in the Graafian follicle stage, and it is incorrect and the required answer. The the ploidy level of oogonia and primary oocyte is same. Yes, both are diploid. A fluid-filled cavity called antrum developed, which led to the formation of tertiary follicle. Yes. Next, a stage of Plasmodium falciparum infective to human is formed in C. The infective stage for human is sporozoid. The infective stage for human is sporozoid, and in sporozoid form in the salivary gland of mosquito. See here, the infective stage, that is sporozoid. Sporozoid is the infective stage, and sporozoid is formed in the salivary gland of mosquito. Okay, stomachod is a rudimentary structure present in the collar of hemichordata, the members of hemichordata, and the members of hemichordata, that is, this is the diagram of Balanoglossus. 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 Okay, this is a diagram of Balanoglossus. That is important. It is a diagram of Balanoglossus. It is trunk, it is collar, and it is proboscis, which help in excretion. And next is, in the following diagram showing axon terminal and synapse A, B, C, D and E respectively. Okay, so A is nothing but A is axon terminal, and B is synaptic vesicles, B is synaptic vesicles. So this is a correct answer, and this is synaptic lab, so C is correct. Okay, which of the following is false? All prokaryotic, prokaryote classified under kingdom Monera have cell wall. No. Some prokaryote like Mycoplasma lack cell wall, so it is incorrect and is the required answer. The type of ribosome found in the cytoplasm of organism responsible for causing typhoid and sleeping sickness. See, typhoid is caused by a bacteria, that is Salmonella typhi, so it contains 70S ribosome, but sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma gambense, and which is a eukaryote members of protozoa, so it contains 80S ribosome. Sequentially the last stage to occur among the following is diakinesis. Diakinesis is the last stage. Okay, the final stage in the prophase 1 is the diakinesis, where termination of chiasmata is seen. The family has all the character given in the list below. Okay. Flower of Pentamerous Gynoecium, bicapillary, syncarpus, superovary, placenta, section. Okay, I have to only see the placenta, which is swollen, and swollen placenta and oblique septa is the characteristic of family Solanaceae. Swollen placenta and oblique septa is the member characteristic of family Solanaceae, and Solanum belong to Solanaceae. The number of linkage group present in a diploid animal is nothing, which is the half the genome. Genome represent the linkage group. See, if I have 46 chromosome, I have 46 chromosome, that means I have 23 linkage group, means 23 and 23 form a linkage group, means we have 2 chromosome, like that we have 23 linkage group. And this concept was given by Streetman. Okay, Streetman has given the concept of linkage group. Okay, half the total number of chromosome is the amount of linkage group that we see in an organism. Okay. Next, the degeneracy of genetic code. Although different codon to code the same amino acid, which of the following codon does not code for the simplest amino acid glycine? C. Okay, all with GGG, all with first two letter G and G codes for glycine, and here we don't have all first two letter with G, so it does not code for glycine. Next. Okay, match the column 1 and column 2. Choose the correct combination from the option given. Bhindi is okra. Bhindi means nothing but okra. And okra, so A is matched with, and it is resistant to A4. It is resistant for A4. So Bhindi means BSF ja. बीएसएफ शूट कर AK-47 से, बीएसएफ शूट कर AK-47 से भिंडी एंड शूट एंड फ्रूट बोरर एंड शूट विथ AK-47, बीएसएफ ओके. सो BS मीन्स B से भिंडी, S से सवानी एंड सी द ट्रिक इज BSF शूट कर, बीएसएफ में शूट कर AK-47 से. सी तो भिंडी मतलब हमारे पास ओकरा, भिंडी मतलब बोकरा एंड एस से सवानी एंड एफ से फ्रूट बोरर से शूट कर ओके AK-47 से. सो इट इज रेजिस्टेंट ओके, इट इज अ वैरायटी, A4 इज अ वैरायटी ऑफ भिंडी. सो A is matched with 4, A is matched with 4. Sorry, A is matched with 2, A is matched with 2, so it is the correct answer. Cow P. C. गाय भी कोमल, बीबी भी कोमल, गाय भी कोमल, cow भी कोमल, बीबी भी कोमल. It is resistant from bacterial blight. Okay, गाय भी कोमल, बीबी भी कोमल means it is resistant from bacterial blight, a disease resistant variety of cow pea. And the next is rapeseed mustard. See, rapeseed mustard is a variety of mustard, and it is resistant from rapeseed mustard, that is B. blue green algae, that is B से ब्रासिका, A से गौरव, सॉरी G से गौरव एंड A से एफिड. ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी से याद रखेंगे. ब्रासिका रेपसीड मस्टर्ड दैट आर रेजिस्टेंट फ्रॉम एफिड, ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी पूसा गौरव एफिड. सो C is matched with 4 and cauliflower, काली सुब्रा. Kali subra means, Kali means cauliflower and subra means its variety that is resistant from okay black rot. Black means Kali and Kali means cauliflower is resistant from subra. Pusa subra is resistant from Kali means black rot and cauliflower. Okay, cauliflower is the name. We can arrange them okay like that. Okay, and it is also resistant from curl black blight. Okay, black thing which is matched with cauliflower Kali. Okay, Kali subra. Okay, next. Choose the correct match duo of the drug which lower lipid level in the blood as a source. Okay, so blood cholesterol lowering. Blood cholesterol is nothing but a lipid, and blood cholesterol lowering agent is statin, which is obtained from Monascus purpureus. A drug is statin and it is obtained from Monascus purpureus. About deaths of all insects are known to feed on green plants. See, about 25% of all known insects are phytophagous, means they feed on plant sap. So 1/4. 25% means 1/4 of the all plants. Okay. Select the correct statement about productivity from the following. Productivity. Gross primary productivity is the available biomass for consumption to heterotroph. No, NPP is the gross remaining biomass for consumer. We have to find the correct. It is incorrect. Secondary productivity depend on the photosynthetic capacity of the plant species inhabiting a particular area. We have to no. Plant species पर depend नहीं करता. Okay, productivity is expressed in term of kilo, kg. No. Productivity is expressed in term of kg, gram and not kg. In term of gram and not kg. See, productivity is expressed in term of gram per year per gram per meter square per year, gram and not kg. So it is incorrect. And the next is of an approximate NPP of 170 billion ton, the productivity of ocean are only 55. Yes, means the productivity of ocean is only 55 billion ton. So the productivity of terrestrial part is 111 billion ton. The tropic have more diversity of vascular plant as compared to temperate because of the latitudinal gradient. Latitude means the distance from the equator. Latitude means the distance from equator. Latitude means the distance from equator. Okay. The false statement about the terror of Bengal is okay. It is native of India since hundreds of years. No. It is an alien species. It is an alien species, not a native of India. It is an alien species. That is incorrect, and the correct required answer. A non-modulated axon does not have a node of N because a non-modulated means that they does not have myelin sheath, and if this does not have myelin sheath, that does not have node of N because node of N is the region between the adjacent gap between the two adjacent myelin sheath. If there is no myelin sheath, then there is no node of N, so it is the required answer. And very important, which of this phase of the menstrual cycle is correctly matched with its period? See, menstrual cycle 1 to 4, menstrual phase yes, proliferative phase 5 to 13 days yes, ovulatory phase 14 days yes, and luteal phase 15 to 28 days. Okay, yet is all are correct, all are correct. A man get infected with a pathogen through contaminated food. He show the following symptom: stomach pain, okay, stomach pain, sustained high fever, constipation, loss of appetite, headache. Okay, these are the all characteristics. See, sustained high fever and loss of appetite. Loss of appetite means भूख खत्म हो जाएगी, भूख खत्म हो जाएगी. These are the characteristics of typhoid. So this is he affected from typhoid. Ascaris is characterized by, see, Ascaris is the member of Ascalementhes and presence of neither two coelom and metamerism, because metamerism is first of all seen in Annelida, and it has Ascalementhes as pseudocoelomate and not two coelomate. So first is correct, and female are longer than male. Select the correct match from the following set: cerebral cortex, central which control body temperature. No, body temperature is controlled by hypothalamus, so it is incorrect. Limbic system regulates sexual desire. Yes. The limbic system along with hypothalamus involved in regulation of sexual behavior, expression of emotion, reaction like excitement, pleasure, range, and fear, and motivation also. So it is correct and the required answer. Following are the function of particular hormone. Okay, a controller of cardiac rhythm in human, help in pigmentation, metabolism, and menstrual cycle, control the defense mechanism of the body. See, these are the characteristic of melatonin, which is secreted by the pineal gland, and it is located on the dorsal side of the forebrain. Choose the correct feature of the muscle fiber given. See, it is cardiac muscle, and cardiac muscle contain communication junction, also known as intercalated disc. Okay, when one cell receive a signal to contract, the neighboring cell also contract due to communication junction. See, contraction of one cell as a unit due to presence of communication junction. Yes, it is correct. Which of the following statement is incorrect about reproductive health? Okay, correct. So incorrect. They are asking about incorrect statement and not correct. STDs are reported to be very high among person with an age group of 15 to 24 year. Yes. MTP has a significant role in decreasing the population, though it is not meant for that purpose. Yes, it is correct. And female infected to STD may often be asymptomatic and hence may remain undetected for long. Yes, the reason for infertility cannot be psychological. No, it can be psychological, so it is the required answer. Okay, it can be psychological. After extracting organism, the scientists listed out below feature about it. Smaller than virus. Okay, it nucleic acid, had ribosome and sugar. Yes, lack protein code. Okay. So it is a viroid which lack a protein code, and it has free RNA with low molecular weight. So it is a viroid and viroid spindle tuber disease discovered by Tudor in 1971. In a population, if individual with extreme property die and only individual with average property live. Okay, average property means it is stabilizing, because the peak get narrower and narrower, and it is stabilizing. And presence of okay. In which of the following technique the mRNA is prevented from undergoing translation due to presence of complementary segment? See, RNA interference. In RNA interference technique, we synthesize a double-stranded RNA by synthesizing a complementary RNA strand. Which of these secondary metabolite is an alkaloid? See, alkaloid, morphine, codeine, these are alkaloid. Morphine and codeine are alkaloid. See, how we remember them? See, ART, that is assisted reproductive technology होती है ना, assisted reproductive technology. So है ना, okay, arabine, ricin, that are toxin, and we can remember toxin like that, and we can remember drug like this है ना. DVD होती है ना, DVD है ना, तो DVD को हम लोग D को हटा दिया, DVC कर दिया, that is drug हो गया कौन? vinblastine, curcumin are the drug. And lectin is very important. Lectin is concanavalin A is a lectin. Concanavalin A is an example of lectin. Okay, which of this relation between two partial pressure is incorrect? Okay, incorrect. See, this question we have PO2. Let's draw a diagram. See, we have this. Okay, 5 4 डब्बे बना लो, 5 डब्बे बना लेना है, और यहाँ पे PO2 लिख लेना है, और यहाँ पे PCO2 लिख लेना है, ऊपर में O2, नीचे में CO2. फिर क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? 1 2 3 4 5 है ना. फिर यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? एटमॉस्फेयर. फिर क्या लिखेंगे? एल्वेलाई. फिर क्या लिखेंगे? डीऑक्सी. फिर क्या लिखेंगे? ऑक्सी. और फिर क्या लिखेंगे? टिश्यू. फिर ऑक्सीजन के लिए अपने पास एटमॉस्फेयर में 159 होगा, और उसके बाद एल्वियोलाई में कितना होगा 104, और फिर इसके बाद 40, 95, 40 हिंदी में जल्दी आ जाएगा, हिंदी में जल्दी आ जाएगा। PCO2 एटमॉस्फेयर में 0.3, फिर 40, 45, 40, 45। ओके ओके, फिर हमको देख लेते हैं आप क्या बोल रही है। PO2 in atmosphere, PO2 in atmospheric air is greater than, we have to find the incorrect statement. Okay, PO2 in atmospheric air is greater than PO2 in alveoli. PO2 in atmospheric air, see, PO2 in atmospheric air is 159, that is greater than PO2 in alveoli, that is 104. It is correct, it is correct. PO2 in tissue is equal to the PO2 in deoxygenated blood. See, PO2 in tissue is 40 and is equal to deoxygenated blood. The PO2 in deoxygenated blood is 40, so it is also correct. Okay, okay, okay. PCO2 in oxygenated blood, sir. The PCO2 in oxygenated blood is 40. PCO2 in oxygenated blood is 40, and PO2 in deoxygenated blood is 40. So they are equal. It is also correct. PCO2 in oxygenated blood is less than. See, the PCO2 in oxygenated blood. PCO2 in oxygenated blood is 40. And is less than PCO2 in tissue. PCO2 in tissue. Okay, it is also correct. See, all are correct. All incorrect. No statement which is incorrect. So it is this question is bonus. Which is which if they are correctly describe. Okay, which if this correctly describe the wall of the heart. Heart. Bicuspid wall is no. Bicuspid wall is the right atrioventricular wall. No. Bicuspid is not right. It is a left atrioventricular wall. It is a left atrioventricular wall. It is bicuspid or mitral wall. That is between left atrium and left ventricle. Left atrium and left bicuspid or tricuspid wall. Bicuspid or tricuspid wall. Find the odd one out with respect to the part of the plant used for food storage under unfavorable condition. See, okay, we have turnip. Turnip is a modification of adventitious root, and but the other three, that is ginger, jimmican, and potato, these are the modification of stem. So tulip is different from others. So tulip, not turnip. Dicot and monocot are two class under the division angiosperm. Which of the following statement are correct about their seed? The scutellum is cotyledon in dicot. Yes. Scutellum is cotyledon. No. Scutellum is cotyledon in dicot, not in monocot, because scutellum is a shield-shaped cotyledon. Generally dicot are endospermous. Sorry, generally dicot are non-endospermous. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Okay, and because okay, but dicot, that is endospermous, is castor. Okay, coleoptile cover the plumule in monocot. Yes, okay. The heart shape embryo is seen in monocot. No, it is seen in dicot and not in monocot. It is seen in dicot and not in monocot. See, scutellum is a shield shaped cotyledon in monocot. It is in monocot. Okay, embryo. Okay, next is okay, this heart shape embryo is found in dicot embryo. So we have 2 and 3 which is correct. Which of the following, which of this cross will be performed to determine, okay, whether the genotype of the tall pea plant is capital T or capital T small t. So to test the genotype, we have to perform the test cross. Okay, two DNA strand having the same length, which one will denature at low temperature? See, the GC is linked with 3 hydrogen bonds, so they will denature at high temperature. So anything that does not have more GC will denature at less temperature. That is, the one having more number of adenine thymine means less number of GC, and the one having least number of guanine cytosine. So we have 2 options which is correct. Aerobic bacteria are found in activated sludge sediment. Okay, they are found in activated sludge sediment activated sludge sediment in the settlement tank of the sewage treatment. But the ruminant contain methanogen. The gut of the ruminant contain methanogen, which are anaerobic and not aerobic. These are anaerobic. Methanogen are anaerobic bacteria. So it is incorrect, and we have first, which is the correct option. The Arctic tern is a bird which travels from Arctic to Antarctic region and then back again. Hence, it sees 2 summers in year. On an average, Arctic tern travels 70,000 kilometers. So this is an example of migration. Long distance migration is seen in Arctic tern. Long distance migration, and short distance migration shown by whale, and locusts show periodic migration. Okay, the correct sequence of organism during hydra succession is the first is the plankton stage, and then of submerged plant stage, and then of submerged plant stage, and then of submerged free floating plant stage, and then of submerged free floating plant stage, and then of reed swamp. swamp का मतलब होता है कीचड़, swamp का मतलब होता है कीचड़ जहाँ पे टाइफा और एजोला देखने को मिलेंगे. एंड देन नेक्स्ट इज मार्श मेडाव, मेडाव का मतलब होता है दलदल. ओके, एंड देन नेक्स्ट इज स्क्रब स्टेज, एंड देन नेक्स्ट इज द tree stage. Means the first stage is the planktonic stage, and then is submerged plant stage, and then is free floating. Means सबसे पहले soil आएगी जमीन पे. In a particular region the same fruit is available in multiple variety color with different taste and texture. The primary reason for this is genetic diversity. See the example of genetic diversity is mango. Okay, mango is genetic example of genetic diversity, and it is also an example of genetic diversity linked with mango. Means the shape and color and taste are different, so that's why it is an example of genetic diversity. 2 pp, and that is 2 parts per million of pesticide enter in a food chain at a producer level. However, in the apex consume 200 ppm of pesticide was identified. Apex consumer 200 ppm of pesticide was identified. The phenomena that occur is biomagnification. The phenomena is biomagnification, that is increase in the concentration of toxicant at successive trophic level. Increase in the concentration of toxicant at successive trophic level. Okay, and the next is which of the following, okay, which of this child will always be homozygous for both the blood group allele and the Rh blood group system? C, if both child and the mother, okay, O child, O negative child means O means IO means it does not have any antigen, and the mother are okay because O is recessive character and it only occur when both are same, means when it is only seen in homozygous condition. So if mother is also O negative, means it does not have any antigen of O, it does not have any antigen, and father is also O negative, then the child is all O negative, and it will be homozygous, always homozygous. A bacteria having recombinant DNA, rDNA, that is recombinant DNA formed by using PBR22 and E. coli restriction enzyme resistant to C. E. coli restriction enzyme is present here, so the insertion activation of ampicillin resistant gene and tetracycline resistant gene does not occur, and it will resistant to, and the recombinant plasmid which form after the addition of the DNA in the eco R1 site, then the recombinant DNA that is formed is resistant from ampicillin and tetracycline. In an enzyme mediated reaction, Km is nothing but the substrate concentration at which the max velocity of the chemical reaction reaches half of the maximum value. So it is correct. Okay, it is nothing but a substrate concentration. Okay, 1 microspore mother cell undergo microsporogenesis to produce. See, it is very tricky question. Okay, it is very tricky question. Okay, to form four. Okay, 4 microspore. It is asking about the microspore, so the number of microspore is 4, and it is not asking about the megaspores. If we ask about megaspore, then the number will be 1, but here it is asking about the microspore. It is asking about the microspore, so the number is 4. Microspore. We get 4 microspore, which all are functional. The proportion of monohybrid in F2 generation of a monohybrid cross is, okay, see, we have to find out the proportion of monohybrid in F2 generation of monohybrid cord. See, in F2 generation of monohybrid cord, we have 2 hybrid out of 4, that is of capital A small a, capital B small b, and a dihybrid cross. In dihybrid cross, the genetic ratio is 1:2, 4 times 1 and 4 times 2, 4 times 1 and 4 times 2, and 1 times 4 and 1 times 4. So 4, we have 4 heterozygote, and in out of 16, so 1/4 is the percentage of 0.25% is the heterozygous percentage, and 50% is the heterozygous percentage in this. So in proportion of monohybrid in F2 generation is greater than that of dihybrid cross. Okay, enzyme DNA dependent DNA polymerase is used in, okay, it is used in transcription, and in transcription we form what? mRNA. We form what? mRNA. Next, decomposition is inhibited during, low temperature and anaerobic condition. Decomposition is inhibited during low temperature and anaerobic condition. Inhibit decomposition. See, inhibit decomposition. Okay, which of the following is not a fundamental reason for greater biodiversity in tropic as compared to temperate? Okay, okay. Tropical latitude are tropical latitude are remain relatively undisturbed for millions of years. Yes, 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 it is correct. Temperate environment, unlike tropical one, are less seasonal. No, no, no. Tropicals are less seasonal and not the temperate. Tropicals are less seasonal and not the temperate. See, so it is incorrect in the required answer. In cockroach, the forewing is known as, see, the cockroach is, in cockroach the forewing is known as tegmina. Tegmina are the forewing which are dark, which are opaque, and which are used for the covering of the hind wing. Okay, the forewing are not used in flying. So both tegmina and mesothoracic wing, because they originate from mesothorax, so they are known as mesothoracic wing also. Okay, okay. Next is all the following statement is incorrect except longest phase of menstrual cycle is follicular phase while the shortest phase is ovulatory phase. The longest phase is not the menstrual phase, and which the following is incorrect except means we have to find the correct statement. We have to find the correct statement. Okay, so correct, all the following are incorrect except, all of the following are incorrect except means you find the correct statement. See, longest phase is not the menstrual phase, it is not the follicular phase, it is the luteal phase, and so it is incorrect. The ovary behave as endocrine gland during the luteal phase and responsible for thickening of endometrium. Yes, in ovary, okay, the endometrium, sorry, the corpus luteum acts as an endocrine gland, okay, which release progesterone with that makes thick, that help in thickening of endometrium. It is correct and is the required answer. Okay, okay. A man come to a clinic for infertility. On examination, it is found that he has a reduction in the size of testicles, decreased sperm production, and enlargement of prostate. He confesses to drug abuse. Okay, which drug would he consuming? See, anabolic steroid. In anabolic steroid, see, some sports person misuse analgesic, anabolic steroid, and diuretics, and this cause reduction in the size of testicles, and decrease sperm production, and enlargement of prostate gland, so it is abusing anabolic steroid. Next, creatinism is due to low secretion of thyroid. It is due to hypothyroidism. Okay, okay. Which of this is was not conceived by Hugo de Vries to explain evolution? See, Hugo de Vries, a single step large mutation to occur. Mutation is large and discontinuous change. Yes. It is random and directionless. Yes. Mutation is heritable and stabilized new species. Yes. And single step large mutation to produce a species can never occur. No, it never occur. Not it occur. So it is not correct. It is not correct. It is the required answer. It is not correct and it is the required answer. Because he has de Vries said that single step large mutation is the cause for speciation. A scientist want to insert a modified DNA directly into the nucleus of animal cell. So we have to use micro injection technique. See, it is direct method of gene transfer in animal, and the direct method of gene transfer in plant is biologistic method or gene gun method, which uses gold and tungsten particle. So here we have to introduce the gene in the animal cell. So we use micro injection technique. Common pansy is Callistogamous flower. Common pansy is a Callistogamous flower. No, it has both Callistogamous as well as Chesmogamous. See, common pansy means viola, and the diagram according to NCERT here is of Comilina, but both viola auxiliaris and common pansy contain both the Chesmogamous as well as the Callistogamous flower. The genetic disorder in which the patient has one chromosome less than the normal human. See, in Turner syndrome we have 44 plus XO condition, means the female the lack one X chromosome. A genetic engineering. A genetic engineer upon the completion of electrophoresis move ahead to illusion. What is exactly done by this? By him in this. What is illusion? So it is asking about what is illusion. And illusion is the process of separating the band of DNA. When band of DNA are cut out from the agarose gel and extracted from the gel piece. So we have to cut out the gel, we have to cut out the bands. We have to cut out the the separated band. So the separated band are cut out from the agarose gel. The process of cutting out of the separated band is known as illusion. The separated band from the DNA are cut out from the gel and extracted from the gel piece. See, there is correction in this question. Both CO2 and H2 is get no. So CO2 is reduced and H2 is oxidized. So in this question there is correction, and we have D, which is the correct answer. See, in this question they are saying that PO2, okay, PCO2 is incorrect. This statement is incorrect. Means POCO2 in oxygenated blood is not equals to PO2 in deoxygenated blood. PCO2 in oxygenated blood is PO2 in oxygenated blood. Sorry, PCO2 in oxygenated blood. PCO2 in oxygenated blood is 40 and PO2 in deoxygenated is 40. So it is equal ना, it is equal ना. तो ये गलत है यहाँ, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन में सारे सही सही सारे ऑप्शन सही है, इसमें करेक्शन है उस क्वेश्चन में, सारे ऑप्शन सही है, कोई आंसर ही नहीं है उसमें का बोनस.